Hey guys, it's Yasmin here and
Happy birthday!
no, we thought we'd vlog today because it's a special day. It's my birthday. I'm officially 34 years old. John has a special surprise as well. He wants me to see Dubai from a different perspective, from up in the air. But no, I'm not skydiving. So what are we doing, baby?
So we were going on a chopper ride over Dubai.
Yes. So I don't know the route of the chopper ride. It's very exciting. It's actually my very first chopper ride ever in my life. And we're gonna do it in style because it's gonna be over Dubai. What is the route? Is it just...
I don't remember.
Okay, so we're just gonna take you with us. So we don't know where we're gonna go exactly. I'm sure it's gonna cover the main parts like Burj Khalifa and Burj Al Arab, probably just around. Like we'll be able to see the beaches and all of that. What's really great is that we'll probably be able to see how the city was built on the desert. So the first stop is we are at the
We're going to Atlantis.
We're going to Atlantis, so that's the meeting point. That's where we're gonna be flying from. Yeah. And then we'll take it from there.
Hi, good afternoon. We're doing the helicopter ride.
Just park here and this guy will take you.
We can park here in this car. Okay.
Are you excited?
I'm nervous.
Yeah, because John has this thing where he's a little bit afraid of heights.
Yeah.
But it's okay, it should be fun. It's like riding on the dragons. We're just a big...
We need to ride now. Andyan yung car sa likod.
Okay, we're a big fan of Game of Thrones, so
yeah.
John thought that the best thing for me to do is to ride on a helicopter. It's sort of like the next best thing. Well, let's see. Oh, it's like really hot right now. Hi. Okay, so currently we are at the lounge, at the waiting area. It's really nice. You can see.
It's like boarding a plane.
Yeah, John said it's like boarding a plane. So we're just waiting. It's 2:35 right now, and our flight, would you call it a flight? Our ride, our helicopter, our chopper ride is scheduled at 3:30. But the actual flight, the actual duration of the ride is around
15 minutes.
15 minutes? Okay, 15 minutes, yeah. But that should be enough to cover the whole city, right?
Yeah.
The whole city, yeah. So, okay. Okay, so right now we're done with the chopper ride and we're just spending the day together. Basically, gonna be having dinner as well later in our favorite Indian restaurant to cap the day. I hope you enjoy the aerial view of Dubai. It's a really great city if you do plan to visit. And let us know as well if you want us to do like a driving tour of different areas here. We'd love to share that with you. So far the areas that you've seen on this vlog is really mainly focused on the Palm. So basically the Palm is an island that's built over 7 years, and it's in the shape of the palm. And it's a mixture of residential and hotels. Basically the top like what 5-star hotels are here surrounding, like in the outskirts of the palm. What is it? In the periphery. In the periphery of the Palm, you can see all the main luxury hotels. So you have Sofitel, you have Fairmont, you have Atlantis. You saw Atlantis from the aerial view. In the branches of the Palm, as you saw in the video, mostly are residential, like villas, and they all have their own beach. There are also like apartments here, and the Palm is known to be one of the most expensive places to live. It's like the top luxury residential area as well here in Dubai.
Villas range in prices if you're going to buy from 7 million to around the 7 to around 30 million. Yeah,
30 million US dollars. Okay, if you're going to buy, but to rent is how much?
I think around $7,000 to $30,000 per month.
Okay.
Around that.
All right, so thank you again for watching. Thank you for joining me on my birthday, and I'm really having such a great day. John really planned it so well. Thank you, baby. Okay, and see you guys soon. Bye.